guys. It's time for your math lesson. This week in math, we are going to be using our math strategies to add three add-ins together, to add 3 digits. What we are used to doing and used to seeing in our word problems in math are 2 digits, 2 parts. So we have part plus part equals whole. Now with 3 add-ins, it's going to say go part plus part plus part equals whole to get our sum, our whole. So let's review 2 of our math strategies. We have the ways to make 10 strategies. Remember, there are 11 ways to make 10. 0 and 10, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, 10 and 0. Another strategy is our double strategy. 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 4 plus 4 equals 8, 5 plus 5 equals 10, 6 plus 6 equals 12, 7 plus 7 equals 14, 8 plus 8 equals 16, 9 plus 9 equals 18, and 10 and 10 equals 20. Those are just 2 strategies we can use to find the sum. We could also, another strategy is the doubles plus 1 strategy, the double subtraction strategy if it's a subtraction problem. But we're going to be adding 3 numbers, so it would be looking for a double addition. So let me show you also, I've provided the link in our lesson plan this week for BrainPop, how to log in. You can watch the Making 10 BrainPop and also the doubles BrainPop. So those are there for you. All right, so let me show you your work maps. These 2 resources, they're also provided for you in the links. You can print those out and have handy for with you while you're doing your math work. So here's your work map. This is just an example. This is not, if you want to print this, you can, but you don't have to. So I'm going to use this work mat. And let's talk about ways that you can get your 3 add-ins. And it's upside down. Sorry about that. Your part plus part plus part. Part plus part plus part equals whole, and that's where we bring it down here. Okay, so I have a deck of cards, so I'm going to use my cards. If you have a dice at home that from 1 to 6, that would be perfect. Remember, we only add in first grade up to 20. So let's try not to use big numbers that are larger than 6 or 7 because we don't want to go over 20. So you can use a dice, you can use some cards, but if you get a high number or a jack or a 10, just put those back and get a different card. You can even just ask somebody, give me a number from 1 to 6. Ask somebody else, give me another number 1 to 6. Give me another number 1 to 6. However you want to get your numbers, okay? So I'm going to pull from my deck. Okay, look at my numbers, 7, 3, and 2. Do you see a doubles or a friend of 10? Let's see. We have a doubles in there. Nope, not 2 of the same numbers. Do we have a friend of 10? We sure do. So let's write my 3 add-ins. 7 plus 3 plus 2. So let's say I have 7 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're my cookies. Okay. I have 3 brownies. Okay. And I have 2 cupcakes. So let's draw my 2 cupcakes. So I have a lot of treats. We said we found a friend of 10. We're going to add 7 plus 3 together. When you have 3 digits, you always want to look for 2 that easily go together. We can put 7 and 3 together to make 10. So I'm going to combine those two, 7 and 3, to get 10. So now we have a 10 plus number sentence. Part plus part equals whole. So I've used my 7 and 3. Am I done? No. What about my cupcakes? My 2 cupcakes. I still have to bring that addend down. So now I have 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals box, the whole. What you're going to do with those numbers, you are going to turn them into a 4-step problem. You're going to give me 2 4-step problems. So what you're going to do is just get some paper, fold it in half, and number it, 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom. If you want to do 1 on the front, flip it over, give me number 2 on this side, totally up to you. So I'm going to make my first word problem and 4-step using my numbers 7, 3, and 2. 7 cookies, 3 brownies, 2 cupcakes. So I have 7 cookies, comma, 3 brownies, comma, and 2 cupcakes. Period. My question, how many treats do I have in all? How many treats do I have in all? So let's look at our numbers. First of all, let's figure out what I need. What am I looking for? What am I trying to solve? I want to know how many treats. Well, are cookies treats? Yeah. Are brownies treats? Yep. Are cupcakes treats? They sure are. So all 3 of those numbers are important. So I'm going to circle my 7, my 3, and my 2. Do I have a keyword in that problem, in that question? What's my keyword? What tells me, or what confirms that I'm going to add? The words in all. That tells me to add. So now I have my strategies shown in my word problem. We can label our 4-step. Main idea, detail, strategy, how. My main idea, how many treats? The number of treats. In all. Keyword always goes there. Details. I have 3 add-ins, so I'm going to do a C for cookies, a B for brownies, ooh, and a CU for cupcakes. Draw my 7 cookies. My 3 brownies, make sure to line them up, and my 2 cupcakes. Since I'm going to add them all together, I need to bracket them to get my whole. My number sentence, I'm going to go ahead and write it like it is here. 7 plus 3 plus 2 equals box. Part plus part plus part equals whole. We're going to put that 10 together first. So let's do that. Bring it down. 10 plus 2 equals box. You might know that off the top of your head, having 10 and counting on, but if you don't, so we can do 10 in my head, ready? 10 in my head, add 2 more, 11, 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Or I can go count 7, count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Therefore, 7 plus 3 plus 2 equals 12. How did I get my answer? I added. I combined. I put together. However you want to say it. You're going to do this 2 times. 2 word problems. The challenge, I want you to give me a word problem with a friend of 10 like we did here, and give me a word problem with a double and show those strategies. When you finish, take a picture of your page and upload it to Seesaw to get your credit. As always, let me know if you have any questions or need any help. I'm here to help. Bye, guys.